When you visit a web hosting provider's website, you find different types of web hostings, such as shared website hosting, VPS hosting, managed WordPress hosting, dedicated server hosting, cloud hosting. Wait. There are different types of web hostings. What is the difference between them and which type of web hosting should I choose? In this video, we are going to disclose everything about the web hostings. So let's get started. First, we will search here dreamhost.com. Now, we will go here in hosting. Here you can see different types of hostings. Let's see that what is the difference between all these types of hostings. Shared hosting is the most basic type of web hosting. It's cost effective and best choice for small or entry-level websites. As the name implies, websites using shared hosting will be sharing resources with other websites on a single server. I would recommend shared web hosting for simple websites. It's all you need or folks that are on a tight budget. VPS stands for Virtual Private Server. This hosting type is step above shared hosting. You can also upgrade your website from shared hosting to VPS. VPS hosting is the best for small and medium-sized websites. Third type is managed WordPress hosting. WordPress hosting is for WordPress users specifically. It is a type of hosting service that provides the most powerful technologies for your WordPress site to make sure your website is both secure and fast. Companies take care of the hosting related issues like backup, security checks, updating WordPress, and much more. The fourth type is dedicated hosting. Dedicated servers are considered the best choice in web hosting. That's because you have a dedicated server that belongs to you and you alone. Dedicated planes are typically reserved for enterprise level websites. That means 1 lakh monthly visits. Don't even consider this type of hosting if you are still struggling to pull in a few thousand in traffic each month on your website. The last type is cloud hosting. Cloud hosting planes come with multiple remote servers. Each server have different responsibilities. If one of the servers is compromised or has problem, the other server on the network will take over those responsibilities. Cloud hosting is the best option for medium and large business websites that are growing at a rapid rate. As I am going to create a small blog website, so I will choose here shared web hosting.